Alrighty guys, mic test please. G'day everyone, how's your evening, how's today? Okay, so let's have a quick look at the Aussie yen from yesterday. Just after the session, I looked at the Aussie yen and it actually closed like 1 pip above that round number that had been holding it for 7 or 8 hours. So I decided it was worth a try. Long morning star pattern or a confirmed inverted hanging man if you like. Inverted hammer hanging man here. So it's sort of 2 patterns in one. And it made T1 easily, but 81.50 pulled it up. So it was half a unit trade. So better than poking the eye with a stick. Did anyone get profit on that trade? Yeah, nothing huge, but better than nothing, wasn't it? And the euro before that, we had a loss on there, so a little bit of a drawdown this week, but it's all right. We'll fight back. What we are going to do on the euro 5 minute. Okay, it could be setting up now, but what I'm watching for in particular while the market's like it is just take a bit more notice of the. I always take notice of the outer bands on the 1 hour, but we're just going to take notice of that mid band as well. That's what happened to us yesterday. Price rejected heavily off the mid band somewhere here, I think. So we're just going to be careful and pay attention to that and see where the mid band is. And if we don't have room to run at any of these bands, well, we're not going to take that trade. With room to run to T1. Does that make sense? Just a little bit more caution. The mid-band is something I don't normally worry about, but obviously yesterday it played a role and I have seen it before. And when the market's like this, it's easily persuaded, basically. It doesn't take much to change a direction, even if it's really short term. We're just going to be careful. So at the moment, we've got, if it retraces to the mid-band on the 5, okay, we'll have about 15 pips conservatively to the mid-band. If we can't get a trade with less than that for stop, well, we're not going to take it. It sounds confusing, but it's actually not that bad. Now, we talked yesterday about these pairs having broken the large pennants. Wait till they play out, and they have. So there's shorting for the euro on the daily, so that seems to be game on. Broke it with a nice convincing candle, and in the opposite direction, the CAD, which I've been watching closely, and we marked this yesterday. You can see here that the morning star confirmed quite convincingly, and it smashed through the trend line. So see if that plays out. See if they want to retest or just continue. That's the thing. We're not going to know until it happens.